Hey, this is Jonathan here in Hong Kong with Discouze, the all-in-one cryptocurrency trading platform of the future. We are here for another exciting edition of our ongoing global crypto and blockchain news roundup. The annual Ethereum Summit convened this week in Queens, New York, to much fanfare and excitement about the growing trends and potential uses of the Ethereum blockchain. Noted highlights include the company Viant showcasing blockchain-based supply chain for global fisheries, allowing attendees to visually track their individual tuna sushi from where it was caught all the way to their plate. The demonstration allows attendees to realize that by using blockchain technology, eco-friendly consumers can track the entire supply chain process, seeing where the tuna was caught and if it was caught legally, see how many people actually touched the fish before it was served to them, and how this system is providing more accountability and transparency in global food distribution. Another major highlight came from congressional hopeful Brian Forde, the self-dubbed crypto candidate, who is not only accepting cryptocurrency donations for his campaign, but also stated in a speech that he wants to implement a blockchain-backed constituency record-keeping system. This system would allow voters to track and record all comments, complaints, suggestions, and other policy information that they direct towards their representatives, providing more transparency for voters and culpability for representatives. But what really excited people from his speech was that if Forbes is elected to the 25th congressional seat of California, voters would then have an advocating voice for blockchain and cryptos within the US Congress. Following the Ethereum Summit, the CEO and president of the New York City Economic Development Corporation announced a new initiative for the city, which includes launching a blockchain resource center to help bring entrepreneurs together to build new businesses, to help educate and to align industry leaders with government representatives so that they can work together towards a common cause or goal. As we have reported over the last 3 or 4 weeks, the US is poised to make a great leap into the blockchain sector, which should bring about some exciting changes and create many new jobs. Moving elsewhere around the globe, a Scandinavian startup company plans to use a blockchain system to track all shipping containers as they make their global transit around the world. Their supposed system would allow real-time verification as to where any given container is in the supply chain process. This is a massive undertaking, as there is an estimated 27 million containers in circulation at any given time. The company's plan is to bring savings to the industry and hopefully reduce the shipping industry's environmental impact. The company called Block Shipping plans to have 60% of the market covered within the next 3 or 4 years. And lastly, in Taipei, the capital of Taiwan, the Taipei Fubon Commercial Bank has recently launched a blockchain payment system for local restaurants and merchants in the surrounding area. Since its launch, the bank has announced a quadrupling of transaction volume. Their system is run on the Ethereum blockchain, using the Byzantine fault tolerance consensus protocol, which reduces both transaction cost and payment times, reducing transaction times to less than 1 second. The bank plans to roll out the payment system to local stores and businesses next, creating a demonstration zone to show the rest of the country how it can be done. Taipei really seems to be moving towards a smart city concept, having recently announced a plan to use a blockchain system for pollution monitoring and for health tracking of its citizens. We here at Discouze will continue to bring you the latest in global financial, cryptocurrency, and blockchain news. Please tell us what you think at #DiscouzeCryptoNews or #DiscouzeCryptoApp. Thanks again for watching this week's edition of our Crypto and Blockchain News Roundup, and stay tuned next week for another edition of our weekly news segment. And for more on Discouze, please visit our website or follow us on social media. Thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you next week.